What's going on today, guys? Starting the video off, getting a little bit of work in. We up here at the tent shop. Sometimes it's nice to get away and get out of your normal spot, come and edit somewhere different, new ideas, new motivation. It's a whole different vibe. Sometimes it's good to get away, and we're on the good vibes today, definitely. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Let's have some fun today. Boys up here at the shop. Ooh. See that thing on there already? Back in the trailer in too. Bow tie. Saturday vibes. I think we might grill later. I forgot my grills over here. I need to get all that. Jeez. That's not good. The whole gang up here. Trail boss. I think LMFS crew is messing with the trail boss right now. Putting spacers on it and stuff. Ooh. See you again. So since we are starting the install of the wheel lights on the Tahoe tomorrow, I figured a lot of you guys probably don't know what happened to the wheel lights on my truck. I still have the wheel lights on the rear. Do not have the ones on the front anymore. So sit back, grab a snack, do whatever the hell you want to do. Maybe grab a loaf of bread. I'm going to show you guys the clips of me tearing off the front wheel lights. There's two things I wanted to get accomplished today. Two things, Lance. One, we're picking the giveaway winner today. So if you have not entered the giveaway, you're too late. I'm sorry. Oh well. That's your bad. But the other thing is I've made a mistake, and I'm here to fix the mistake. My wheel lights are broken on the front, both of them now, and I'm about to show you guys how. It'll be a little bit easier once I get them off. So give me like 2 seconds. I'll rip them off of. I'm gonna use my MCGAUGHYS sponsored tripod today to get the wheel lights off and show you guys how I royally messed up. Where my mistake came in was, so if you guys remember, any of you that have been with the channel long enough, the back brackets on the wheel lights are pristine. They are perfect. There's no movement, no nothing. Me and my dad did them. We're able to get 4 bolts to hold those on, or 4 L brackets to hold those on, so there's no movement. The front two, whichever one of the lift kits, I don't remember which one it was, somebody cut off the bottom of my dust shield, and we can only mount 3 L brackets on the top, and they've really become loose over time, and that's not good. So the one on the left front over here, actually when the brake caliper fell off, if you guys remember that video on the interstate, it actually broke the light off of the, it actually broke the wiring off of the light, and you can see that, which one is it? This one. So you can see that, you can see the end of the light is right here where my finger's at, and there's no wire connected to it. It literally broke the wiring off of the light. And then the other wheel light, like I said, the bracket has become loose over time. Now obviously it's all cut up because I had to cut it off the truck without taking the wheels off, but over time, there we go, over time, again, where my hand's at, this part was touching the wheel, and it actually worn through the light and messed the light up that way. So both of my front brackets have completely ruined my wheel lights now, and I literally just cut them off with some, what are they, 10 clippers? 10 clippers. 10 clippers. I just cut my wheel lights off with 10 clippers, so definitely not a great feeling, but well, you know, the plan of action obviously is to, you know, get them fixed, get some new dust shields, and get them rewired, you know, order everything from Lighting Trends and get it all fixed. So I like to keep you guys updated with what's going on with the truck, with the build, and that is something obviously that I don't like to talk about, but something that's going on with the build. So as of right now, there are no wheel lights on the front of the truck. Wheel lights or not, I don't care what you guys say, she still looks kind of cute. So when I start the wheel lights on the Tahoe tomorrow, I don't know if I'm going to do an actual how-to install video. I don't normally do those on the channel. That's not really my vibe. I just kind of film as I go and just kind of see how it goes. But let me give you guys a little bit more info. So for those of you that don't know, that couldn't tell from the clips that I had just played, I had wheel lights on here. They started to mess up on the front. I ended up cutting them off. I've waited some time to get some new ones. I have new ones in, but first we're gonna put the ones on the Tahoe. I'm gonna start that tomorrow. I'm obviously not gonna get done in one day because I suck at doing this kind of stuff, but I do have the wheel lights still on the back of the truck. I have both of them here. Me and my dad did both of those brackets. If you can see that, those brackets are amazing. Those aren't going anywhere. But the two on the front, one of the biggest issues I was having is whoever installed one of my lift kits at one point cut half of the dust shield off the bottom, so I have like half the space to be able to mount the wheel lights. So when I go to do mine, I might go ahead and just take the hubs off, take everything off. I might put new hubs on it while I'm doing it and put new dust shields on it. That might be the plan for mine. Her truck's brand new, it's 2017. Nobody's messed with the dust shields. Hers should be a lot easier, but mine's gonna be a little bit more difficult. So we're starting with hers mainly because she'd probably kill me if I don't do hers first. I need to turn those rotors pretty bad. It'll be all right, it'll be fine. That's what Lance says at work. It'll be fine. So I hope you guys are excited. We're gonna get started on that tomorrow. I will see you guys then. I hope you guys have a great night. Stay safe out there and always get some bread. So I'll leave you guys at that. As always, let's get this bread.
This bread, baby! That's what I'm talking about.